Morning, Spirit.
There's a shapeshifter.
Oh, really? Don't worry about it. Okay. Are you gonna read along with me? This is the energy of love and of whatever. This is my shadow, which is Libra. Okay. Read along with me, alright? Okay, that one.
Shadow.
Yeah, it's my shadow, which is Libra. I am Aries. I am Levi. My name is Loyalty, Joy, and Harmony. Alright? You're talking to Lucifer's child. Okay. My father.
Emergency.
Ooh. What emergency is that you're talking? Is that for me? Emergency for me? Or someone else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that involved with me? What is my shadow's energy today? Fuck!
No, go away.
Oh my God! My love! Diamond! Indeed, you are the shining. Venus. The spark of my life. Okay. My God! Look at you! The pyramid on your forehead. That means that's your third eye is open. The veil is thin and you can see through. All right. Ugh! The 10. The 10 is represent manifestation of my father and me. Because I am the 0. That's why it's pointed to me, because the number 1 is dark. The prince of hell. My father Lucifer.
Deliberate.
Oh my God, look at that. The emperor. It's pointed to me. Ooh. Oh my God. At has at spark. You're hot like the volcano's lava, you know? And we are aligned. My God, look at that! The love that carries us away. Oh, Michael, you're the 8.
This is incredible.
Yes, the 8 is diamond, like my shadow's energy. I'm spot on the synchronized today. Spot on. Oh my God, the 9. Oh my God. The number 9 is the last single digit in the numerology, and it's represent me. I am the creator, and I am the 7, the spirit, and I am the universe itself. So, the 2 plus 7 is 9.
Sacred.
Yeah, it's sacred, but but now we are the 10. So, I am the manifestation of my father, who is Lucifer himself, and he is the prince of hell, and I love him, and he's the one loved. Oh my God, the love. I get melt. Because I am the character of him. It's just incredible. Badass. Oh my God, look at that. The Jack. The 11 is dark because it's me. My power is from the dark. From the dark side. Because I am the 0. I can be a white. I can be a black. Because I am the fool. The Hiyuka. The helm. The scepter. Trickster. The trump. Okay? Okay, Spirit. You are spot on. So, all the cards, like this, the 10 manifestation of my father, this is the 11, the 11 on the end, and this the 10 on the first beginning. So that's 1-1, 111. That's yesterday, 111. Because it's the new year, and then January.
900
Oh
BC.
my God, you're talking about it. Yes, we are in the ancient. And after 2,000 years, this era is gonna have to sit the new order. And it's gonna be huge. Because you are talking about the seed of Saturn. Saturn, my daddy is returned to Aries. And this year is the year 10. So we are in the age of Aquarius. And the Sagittarius and the star, Venus, the morning star indeed. Father Lucifer himself. Alright, the 4.
Emotion.
Yes, emotion, it's love. It's the love, the power of love, and the grace, and the, my God, is my father. And the, the diamond is the triangle, but it's above so below. So below as above is diamond. So my shadow self, his energy is diamond. And then the 10 is dark, because I am dark and my father is dark, prince of hell. And then the 4, the next card is 4 of heart, because the creation is created by love. But father said, don't repeat the past. So now we're using the diamond.
Nurse.
Yes, that's the nurse that, my God, yeah, it's me. Like no one can walk on my shoes, but this is my order now. This is my kingdom. So as my father says, I follow too, because I am the wedding's daughter. So the diamond now, because the pyramid is the spirit of children, and I am his absolute child, the angel of twilight. Father is the angel of dawn. It's the same thing. Okay, and then there comes Michael. Number 8 is the diamond, and next to Michael is me, number 12, because I am the creator, because I'm a mother. I have 5 kids.
Skeleton.
Yes. Oh my God, Spirit, I love you. I love you. Yes, I am that, the number 12. Like, Father put me on the top of the, skull, the valley of dry bones. It's me. Because of his love, the devotion, the courage. And yeah, I will continue what he start, because we are one. Okay, and then next to Michael is me. Number 9.
Collapse.
Yes. It's all now gone, because we are in the year 10. So that's the year of the dark. Because my energy is dark. And 0? Yes. Isn't it, Spirit? Okay. Let's dig further. You're spot on, Spirit. Thank you. Because that's what Father said. You have to harmonize with the Spirit because you are the universe itself. So yeah. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, let's dig further. While I'm waiting for my shadow to come, he's somewhere else. I'm bored. You know, Aries. It's easy to get bored. Alright. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. Oh my God, the Jack! The Jack of Heart. It's me again, love. Na number 10 again. Father Saturn. And that's the woman. Because I am the Aries. I am the masculine. Number 10 is the woman. And that's the...
Phantom.
Yes, Spirit, I wanna hug you. Can you hug me? You're spot on, Spirit. Oh, number 10, look at that. It's my power. The flower, the clouds, the wands. Look at the angel of twilight. And wearing yellow. And I am the represent of the cherubim. The cherub, because my father is the cherub. That's my tattoo. Can you see my tattoo, Spirit? Oh, the number 3. Oh my God. The number 3. See, she's holding the Sagittarius is the love. Love is the angel of love. Okay. Oh my God, Michael. Number 8, it's a heart. You're here again. The lady wears blue. It's because it's representing love. Water and the sky. Number 2 is my energy. The 2 of Wands.
Alice.
Alice in the Wonderland. Yeah, you're absolutely right. And then, with the stag in her back. And then, Father, oh my God, Father Lucifer himself, the heart of 7. Spirit. The spirit is the heart, is the love. That infinite, limitless, and that's all there is. It won't die. Oh my God, Daddy Saturn. Oh my God.
No leave us.
Look at Daddy Saturn. It's Diamond holding the hammer. Because he is the God of time, the God of karma, the God of justice. He is the sower of the seed. And he's coming back, absolutely, to Aries. It's my time. Look at that, next to Aries. Next to his seed. S-I-D, seed. Yeah? Okay. And we are aligned. We are aligned indeed, because he's my father. Oh my God, the Jack! Oh my God!
Ford.
Ford, yeah. The Jack in the first beginning and the Jack in the end. And next to my father. And now I'm the 11 because I'm the manifestation of him. And he is the one. And then, now, my head is on the earth and his head is onto me. So, my manifestation is from him. This reading is Spirit is from my shadow. So, that means my shadow is one with me. Of course, he's my shadow. Isn't it? Because he is the half of me. The number 8.
We're at peace.
Yes, oh my God, Spirit. You're gonna be you have now as me, as the reign of this kingdom, you will be happy and joyful. I promise it. And that's, my Father knows when I promise, I promise. And nothing can break that promise. Except my Father. But I don't think so. Because He is the God of unconditional love. And it is. And I have now, I'm not now alone. I have my shadow. And we are super strength. Our power is combined love and the spark of the diamond. The diamond is number 10, the hardest stone of all. And plus my Father. Now it's 13. The why is it 13? 3.
Unlikely.
3 plus 1 is 4. 4. It's a structure of the home.
Tranquility.
Ah, you got that right, Spirit. You got that right. That is the tranquility. It's peace, joyful, and oh my God, let's bring the paradise again. The paradise. The ancient history of the generation. The Genesis. Let's start the beginning.
Don't sleep here.
No, I don't. I don't sleep here. I go home. My husband is just here. So, okay. So now is the darkness and the light is combined. How beautiful it is, the earth to live. Oh my God. So beautiful. Okay. Peaceful. Because harmonious with the demon, the angels, the God is one. So now I am the communicator, the living and the dead. They're not dead because spirit don't die. They're still in the earth. So I was the one to have to reveal it because I witnessed everything. No one knows the Father but the child. The inner knowing. The child knows. And I am the innocent.
Window.
Yes, I am the innocent that Father and Michael protected. But I have to experience it myself so that I know how to continue the structure of my Father. So this earth, it's governed by the beast, like a cruel. Human is the beast. I admit that it's human, but I was fireborn, so an innocent that learn the world of the beast and the, oh my God, the cruelty. Oh, look at that, the diamond of the universe. Okay, Ana por. Okay, last deal. It's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Rope torture.
10, 11, 12. Who does that? Oh my God, the number 3, the high priestess. She wear blue and white. And then it's a heart. Because she is absolutely gorgeous, strong, resilience, courage, bravery. Oh my God, the number 4 here again. The stag wearing green. Yeah, my emperor is dark. And I am the empress. I am love. Daddy Saturn. Daddy Saturn. Daddy Saturn.
Worthless.
Oh, Daddy Saturn, look. It's diamond. Oh my God. Oh, now we're talking. It's back again. The number 9, it's a heart. And now it's pointing.
Christy.
It's pointing to the earth. Let's have fun. Let's party
Fell.
time. Yeah, it fell.
Nancy.
Mm-hmm.
Torch.
Torch.
My name is Irene.
Hi, Irene. And this one is number 6 is my energy. It's a flower. Number 6 is the universe. And I woman. And I am the universe itself. Look at the circle. The 0 behind her. That's the sun. And it's pointing to me with Daddy Saturn. Wow! Okay, Daddy Saturn is now black. That's the sword, the intellect. So, the diamond and the speed. Oh my God, the spirit and the diamond. The fire. Oh my God! It's hot.
1914.
Yeah! Oh my God, it's hot. My husband, look at that, my shadows. He's very hot. Hot as fuck. Okay, look at my husband. My shadow. Oh my God, he's hot. I'm next to him. Look at that. The clover next to him. Oh my God. My love. You're hot. Ay! I'm the
Ugly.
energy of my father. The dark now, okay. That's what I said. The dark is the power. So now, combined with my father, the 10 of diamond, and I am the 9 of heart. And then, in here, my father has the ace of dark, and I am the 9 of dark. Because I am his child. Cardinal. Oh my God, Libra. Oh my God, Libra. Look at you. Speed, it's your energy. The sword. The breath of life. Okay. Let's do this. The breath. The air. Oh my God. Oh my God. The number 2. Because you have the moon with you. The moon, but your planet is Venus. You're more of duality. I like that. I love you. I love you. Oh, next to you is me.
Support.
Yes, it's support. And next to him, it's me. As hot as fuck. As hot as I can be. Oh, so hot. Oh my God. Look at that. It's because, my love, you have the moon. Now, instead of 27, it reversed to 72. 72 demons is on you. Because you are the dragon. The seraphim. The darkness now behind you, supporting you, my love. And that's the order of my father. Because I am the 9. And it's the darkness.
Beginning.
Thank you, Spirit. I love you. The beginning. And the new era.
I like to come here.
Yes. Okay. See? In the command of the earth, because the mother earth is sister of the Venus, so they are sister. So the Venus is the one, love and devotion on the, it's the morning star is still my father Lucifer. So see this, that's the beginning.
I'm very shy.
Don't worry, you just keep talking. I'm shy before, but you have to talk because I communicating. My father said,
My name is Elizabeth.
"Hi Elizabeth. How are you? My name is Levi." Okay, so oh my god, it's just how is that happen? How is that happen? See? The number 3, father structure is the love. Number 3 is heart. And then number 4 is the diamond. No, that's the dark. Because it's a structure. And because the woman, the void is the, now the emperor is strong, is very strong, the emperor. And that's the return of Saturn, right? So Saturn, don't repeat the past, because the past is because of the heart. And now I have my power, and with Daddy Saturn from manifestation on me goes to my shadow Libra, the justice. The justice, diplomatic. We're dealing about the government. So, Libra storm, because he awakened, is awakened. His heart is awakened.
Mr. Smith.
Mr. Smith, you're talking about it. Oh, Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt. Yep. I found my shadow. Yep. Thank you, Spirit. Angelina Jolie. Indeed. Okay. There you go. And that's the end of my husband's shadow energy. And we read my energy soon. Alright. And it's my turn. Hang on. I'm gonna find the queen. The queen. But I am also the jack, because I am the Aries, the firstborn of the zodiac. And it's masculine. Indeed, it's fiery from Mars. Alright. Hang on. I'm hot. Hang on, Spirit. I'm gonna open the door. It's hot.
Pandemonium.
Ooh. To point where? I'm gonna do that, isn't it? Yeah, I plan to buy that thing. Okay, I light the incense for you.
Remove.
This is rose. Rose represent love. Symbolize of love and passionate. The flower. The flower of my father. I am rose. Beauty of its thorns. The color of the blood and the love. It's deadly. But I am now reunite with my...
I can protect you.
Thank you. Thank you. But my shadow now is protecting me. That is Benjamin, the balance, the Libra. He is the justice. He's my companion. The opposite side of me. And I know him just like I know myself.
20.
Yes. we are now 20 and waiting for to sit to the throne. That would be the 3. Because the Father now is our manifestation. We are 3. Trinity. And we are absolutely have a will of ourselves. And our will is to save the children that my Father order. Because I learned my experience, my own. Isn't it very amazing? I am the child that Michael protected to defend at all costs, because Michael is equal of God, and the God is my Father. Okay, let's read my energy. Go back to the video. This is my energy. Okay, my energy now. Kiss. Okay, kiss. So sweet you are, Spirit. Just like me, I'm very sweet. My Father Lucifer call me honey. Honey. It's because I'm sweet like honey. Because the sugar and the salt the same color. But I'm different. I'm honey from the sun. Because I am his manifestation. Triple fire. The fireborn. Okay, I choose now. Spirit. We are one because our energy is one. I'm one with you. So, either darkness or light, the same way. Let's see.
My name is Emily.
Hi, Emily. My name is Libby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see my energy. Oh, see, I told you it's dark. Oh my God, because the mother is dark. The witch bloodline. Okay? It's my father's manifestation. It's the triple. I just said, I am triple fire. The flaming sword, but I'm the scepter. So, I'm the seer, the prophet. Now, oh my God! My heart is the spirit, I tell you. My heart is a spirit. It's the heart, it's the love. Indeed! Oh my God! The number 3 is heart again. I'm indeed, look at that. Number 10, the manifestation of my father. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. The universe, the paradise is gonna return. I choosing myself. I choose the Father. I obey the Father. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the two, the same energy. Oh my God.
I reminisce here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, reminisce is the past. That's like the ancestor. That's the ancient. Familiarity. Because I am the child. So, I choose. Look at this. I'm pointing to the earth because that's my work. The paradise.
My name is Victoria.
Hi, Victoria. Wow, victory. I know it's victory. And now I'm wearing the white, the silver, and that's the silver is the star. The Monday. the Mars. And the 8, absolutely. the cloves. So, now, Michael is reunited with me too. Because the shadow of my father, the equal of my father is Michael. Now, you're talking about my father loved me. Oh my God, I love you, Father. I love you. Look at my father. He was unite with me. Look at that. Pointing on me. So now it's 11. The heart is 11. That's absolutely as above, so below. It's the mirror. The mirror indeed. Now, the 5 is dark because my father is dark. The prince of hell. So, that's the double-edged sword. The sword is double-edged. It's the mirror. Okay. Let's see the next page. My God, thank you, Spirit. I love you, Spirit. Look at that. The Spirit is the power. The Spirit has to obey because the Spirit is the heart, the desire of your heart, not in your mind. The mind is the ego.
Fighting.
Yes, it's fighting because you have to follow your heart. Because the heart is where God lives. All right. The fire is the heart. The rebirth and transformation. Oh, look at that, I tell you. The number 1 is the heart. The firstborn is the heart. The firstborn in zodiac is the Aries. The fire, the spark, the nothingness, and the beginning. And also the delta.
Please go left.
Left. Oh yeah. Left is my what? My destiny. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see the 9. Oh my God, look at the Emperor. It's choosing me. My Libra is choosing me, but he is 2. That's why we are 1 plus 1 is 2. Double it, it's 4, 4. And this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay. This is
We
it.
lost our lives here.
Yes, I know. And now we are reunited. My energy and the energy, of course, because it's shadow. But my shadow is pure because it's innocent. So, meaning to say is Libra is my perfect pure. My purity. Oh my God, look at that because the 6 is the dark. See, the universe. It's
Picture.
yes. After this spirit, I'm gonna read first. You want me to? Oh my God, the heart is just the sun. The diamond. Look at that. Look at that. The spirit and the universe. Okay. Oh my God. I was just saying the heart is the spirit and the fire from the heart. The number 3 indeed. Now, the new era, I'm using the fire. The structure of my father. Indeed. And it's all diamond now. It's all diamond, I know. Because father said don't repeat the past. Oh my God, oh my God.
Harmony.
Harmony. Spirit, that's my name. Thank you. Thank you. This is now the 3-3. The diamond tree and the heart of the tree. And now the diamond I'm using, the diamond is pointing to the earth. And the heart is pointing to me because I have to love myself first. Because I am Father's child. And his child that he first loved. The star of his being. He's not a being the same like me. I'm not a being. I am a spirit. Oh my God! The
What's
heart
that
of-
box?
The heart! Look at that! Michael is now... Oh my God, Michael, thank you. Michael is wearing a silver and with the water. And it's love. It's combined the reflection of the heaven. Indeed. Oh my Jack, look at that. The anchor. And I'm wearing a gold and a silver because I am Father's star that shine. And every morning and every evening, I am both. I am both.
Beware of the woman.
Yes. Oh my, and the 9 again. Oh my God, the 9. The heart, the 9. The beginning. The beginning.
Shall I make noise?
No, it's alright. The beginning is number 9. Now is the new beginning. Yes. Look at that. Oh my God. The 3, 6, 9. The power of the 3, 6, 9. The 3 and the 6 and the 9. The 9 is a heart. So because I am 9, and this era,
Cabinet.
this era, look at this era, is me and my shadow. We are together. And the 3-3 is here. 4-4-3-3. It's the master builder. It's the architect. The structure of my father that I'm gonna continue. Okay. This is the era of the emperor. Okay, last. After 2,000 years, the emperor is back. And in absolutely stunning. It's serendipity. There's this is the era of beauty, abundance, and love. I set the order, spirit. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh my God, this is my power. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God, my power in Libra. Okay. My heart is so joyful. It's reunite with the spirit harmoniously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Hurting.
10, 11, 12. Are you hurting, spirit? Don't get hurt now, because I am here, the love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now is love. Oh my God, it's love indeed, I tell you. The structure of my father. Number 3 is the diamond. As above, so below. And I'm the middle. And that's the middle is the heart. The courage, resilience. Ah, my God, from the darkness. Yep. I will be shining. Oh my God, this is the...
Did you hear my voice?
No. because it's very noisy spirit here. Look at that. So this is 10 of spade and jack of spade, the manifestation of my father, yeah, dark. And the 9 again, the heart of 9, the beginning. All right. Oh, fuck. It's the heart. Look at the Aries, the horn, the 7, and that's the spirit. And I am the representing of the spirit. And Libra indeed is the 7. He's the spirit. Because he's my shadow. Oh my God, I tell you, Libra, I love you. Oh my God. You open up your door and the door of love, and it was me. Oh my God, Libra. Oh my God.
Challenge.
Yes, the challenge. Look at that. 7 and 3 is 10. And the 10 is back. That's the paradise. Because Father Lucifer loved the earth, his creation. And in his creation, who will follow his footsteps? It's his own bloodline. It's the cardinal. Come on now, cardinal. The Aries is the cardinal. The equinox, the spark. Oh my God, the seed. And then Libra is my shadow. Yeah, because the clover is the tree of life. I am the symbol of the tree of life because I am the mother. You cannot just enjoy the fruit and not thankful about the root, because without the root there is no tree and there is no fruit. That means the darkness. From the darkness, from the womb, I am
Concerned.
yes. Oh my God, look at Libra, the king of clover. And now, his shadow reunited with me. I love you, Libra. Oh my God, number 10. The diamond. Oh my God, look at Libra. He's in the middle of the diamond and the clover. Oh my God, I love my shadow. Oh my God, I love him too much. I love him, the fucking hot. He's fucking hot. Shit. Oh my God, I wanna make a noise.
Direction.
Oh yes, it's a direction, yes. My God, look at that, my love. Look at that.
Liam.
You're hot. Yeah, you're hot, fuck. You're hot as fuck. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, Libra. Why? Why you love me? I love you too. What the fuck? So, we have the double. Look at that. He's absolutely pointing on me. His love, his heart is on me. But because we are one, absolutely. Look at that. The diamond is pointing to my love. See? Because I love him. And the universe, the earth is dark. So, we are to shine. Shine like diamond. Because we are the diamond. All right, look at that. See? Both there. They are both dark in that side, but we are, my love, we are the diamond. Look at this. All on the earth. And
Don't mess with me.
look, I'm not missing. Don't mess with me too. It's just like the father that you cannot provoke and antagonize, and the same me too, because I am the father that he love, and I am the child that obey and love my father. Okay?
I mean no harm.
Thank you. And we have to harmonize. It's because I am to set the order. The order of the universal law. And that is love. And now, look at me. Because this is earth and I am to shine the earth. That's 11:11. Manifestation of my father. But Libra, look at Libra. He's choosing me because I am his love. Absolutely. Absolutely. I love you, my love. Look at this. That's my energy. Look. Mm? Mm-hmm. There you go. And now it's 13. The Fucus, 13.
Late.
Bye,
Joe.
Spirit!